Hello guys, welcome to the stream. So we are back with another stream. So, hello Omkar Kulkarni. How you are so consistent? Bro, I am consistent because right now like I am totally free. I don't have any job and I don't study at the moment. So I am just at home and learning and improving my skills. So, but the consistency still matter. Earlier, it used to happen like I was not consistent, and like since I started this stream, so now like I am more consistent than before. But still, I need to take some time break in between to not get burned out. So, like last Sunday, I took a break, so I didn't came to this live stream. So that's see where are you from? So I was doing about this thing yesterday I added Boolean modifier here, but it didn't work. Which field do you want to work in? I want to work in many fields, but I am mostly interested in like mechatronics, robotics, and related to using AI tools and also this 3D modeling thing. So everything is interlinked. If you wanted to design your own components, 3D components, then you need to know a tool which is used for 3D modeling like AutoCAD or but this tool that I am learning it's Blender. So it is used for animation and a lot more thing for gaming development, designing the characters, and I'm also interested in music, but I never tried that thing to produce music, but I don't have any experience, but I am also interested in that field. So right now, like robotics is very expensive, so you need to have some money and buy the equipments and then do all those stuff. So it is not possible. So right now, I only have this laptop and I am just learning this 3D tool so that I was. waiting to learn since last 3 4 years. I was trying to learn, but never got consistency in this learning curve. But this time, after a lot of years, so now I am going to do this anyhow. Okay, so there is no, yes. I also want to learn machine learning and AI. Then what is stopping you from learning? All these sources are available online. You can learn. But the only thing is, in today's era, the consistency, overcoming procrastination, and not getting distracted from YouTube, Instagram, Reels. So that is the main challenge in today's era. So you need to overcome those challenges, and other than that, everything is possible. My aim behind this live stream is also to stay focused and be consistent. And yeah, so your live streams. Yeah, I do machine learning, deep learning live stream. So right now, like I completed the machine learning supervised and supervised, but not in depth. Just an overview, you can say, and did some implementation. So how the things work in today's era, you need not to go like really in depth. If you are more specific about research and you are more interested in writing the academic papers, then you can go in depth. But otherwise, you need to just know the tool, how to use it, and how you can build something out of it. So that what matters in today's era. Okay, so I'm not getting the result that I want here. Mm, so can you tell me more about yourself also, Kumar? Thank you so much for thank you so much for randomly found your channel. So machine learning and deep learning live stream. So you live and thought of asking for some advice. Okay, you can ask any other thing if you want. And starting this live stream was not easy for me, so it took me a while. Like I used to do live stream on Twitch, because I didn't want to stream on my old channels. So I have few of my old channel. I don't want to post there because it's been 2 years. I have not posted anything, more than 2 years, I guess. And now I don't want to post there anymore. So I started this channel. Earlier I thought like I will keep this channel secret, but now I'm getting some confidence, and yeah, that's the thing. And if you don't know, like I have completed my masters in AI and ML, and I don't know machine learning, deep learning at that level. Now I have some idea and confidence, like I can build something using machine learning. But before starting these live streams, so I was not uh, like fully involved in learning machine learning and deep learning. I wanted to do masters in mechatronics, but it was not possible due to different circumstances, and the course was not available in the university. So I did masters in AML then, but there I also like worked on uh, the project that I was interested in. I'm currently pursuing BTech in AML, but I am yet not started learning in my field. I want to, but I am not able to due to college and inconsistency. You can relate to it. Yes, bro, I can understand this situation. So, in which year you are? Like, are you in third year or final year? Or you started the college? When I was in college in first year, I was regularly attending the classes. In second year, I started working on a side project. So you are in last year. I can relate, bro. Lot of pressure, placement pressure, not getting placed, and other lot type of pressures. And you also might be confused, like should I learn DSA or other things? I have gone through that phase. Very frustrating. But I will suggest to you, like more you are gonna delay these things, so the more difficult it is going to become. So better start early. So that's the only thing. I also used to think like I will do this once I am free, then I will fully devote uh, my time on this. I regret sometimes like I delayed everything. The thing that I should uh, like that I should know about that thing, but I learned those things a year later. Like I supposed to know machine learning when I was doing that master's degree. But after completing my master's degree, now I was thinking like I should know machine learning because I did specialization in machine learning. But the situation was different. Like I have a degree, but I don't have knowledge. So that's why I thought leave everything behind. So you need not to worry about anything, no placement, headache, no other thing. So totally focus on learning machine learning in next few months. So that's what I am doing, and I'm happy. Like the things are not that difficult. You can easily grab and grasp on it. I had few friends. who were from mechanical background, and they did masters with me in AI and ML. Uh, Not in ML, but they were in on the artificial intelligence branch. But they know machine learning better than me. I don't know how they managed, but since the beginning, like I was not interested in this masters machine learning, but I was more interested in robotics mechatronics. So when did you complete your masters? I completed in July, July, this July. This July I submitted my final thesis, and now everything is done. I'm I'm just waiting for my degree, final degree. And in masters, like there was a lot of pressure. We had to publish two papers. Really, mechanical background and pursued masters in AI. Yeah, like in my classmate. So she did. So first of all, she did the BSc in physics. So then she did masters in physics. After that, she came to this campus in which I was studying at Chandigarh University, and then she pursued a master's in AL. So currently, like she have third degree. She has three degrees with her, and right now, like she is uh, doing her job in TCS. Not TCS. There is another subsidiary company, TCE, Tata Consultancy Engineering. So she's working there in Mumbai. She did everything like you can say patiently. I don't know how she managed, but she did learn all these things, Python and other things. So when she was doing masters, but more than like technical knowledge, she was very good at presenting and explaining the thing. I don't know. She is good in this implementing machine learning, but she had all that theoretical knowledge, and she was the first to submit the thesis. She was like all rounder. Yeah, there were three girls in my class, so I was inspired by them. They had like different stories. She told the story like she is the like first girl to do uh, masters from her village. She is the first one. She was best in modeling, dancing, and everything. So there are like few, you can say, students who are best at all those things. And one of my friend, like he opened a channel on YouTube, and now he has like 6 lakh subscribers. So while pursuing masters, so he was very consistent in uploading videos, and he is also like very good in this machine learning, deep learning. Now he's just running his own empire. If you are like if you watch anime videos on YouTube, then you might have visited his channel. Did you watch anime? Okay, so I need to figure this out, like how I can apply this Boolean modifier here. It is not working. Great talking to you. Now you can focus. Hmm. Okay, so I am going to do this step again. I am going to delete this word. I don't know why it is not working. Delete. Okay, so now if I press F, so it is going to fill, not like this. So I have to select all, then press F. So now everything is filled. I think I should extrude or increase the size. Okay, I guess this was the reason why it was not working. So this is only edge, and it is not solid. Like on this side, okay, so this is not filled. Okay, so I guess this was the reason why that thing was not working. So let me do this thing. Uh, is this good? No, something is wrong. But it is solid from this side. This side is also solid. Then why I'm not able to select the face? Okay, so everything is in solid. Okay, let's just try. But on this side, here is some issue. Okay, okay, so it is in the design. Let's go top side, go to edit mode. Okay, so now I'm able to select the face. Now let's grab it along y-axis and extrude it a little bit till here. So now what we need to do, let's go to object mode. First of all, we need to extrude this. Okay, go to edit mode, select the face. Now we can extrude it like this. So now we are going to use Boolean modifier, but before that, I guess uh, I should bevel this properly. Let's go to bevel, three segments. Let's add subdivision surface. I guess I applied the wrong one. Subdivision, uh, no, the modifier is the same. Let me check the geometry. Okay, so we need to reset this transformation. Still solidify subdivision surfaces. As these number of vertices are increasing, so it is going to use lot of resources. नहीं नहीं करना. I need to learn more on these modifiers. Uh, this one is not working properly. Let's see if I can do the background on this side. Let's select all these edges and now I play this bevel. I guess this is sufficient. But it only added on these side vertices. I don't want like this. Okay, let's try to add boolean modifier directly. So to do that, we need to go into object mode, select this handle, and here is boolean modifier applied. Not applied like we added the boolean modifier. So now we need to select our object. Okay, so the object is selected. So now if I hide this, still not working. Okay, so in wire mode, we got this shape, but it is not getting applied on this handle. Okay, let's ask GPT what is wrong. Come on. So I created object using this technique, and now I want to use a Boolean modifier, but it is not working, and removing the model segment of vertex modeling. Check for bubbles. Sometimes duplicate vertices can cause issue with Boolean operation. Select your object, press Ctrl Shift A to select all vertices, then press M to merge by distance. Okay, I heard about this technique in one of the previous video. I press uh, okay, so let's do this and let's see results then. Let's go to texture. Now select this object, go to edit mode, and now I need to select all these vertices, Control Shift A, Control Shift A. Okay, Control Shift A, everything, nothing is selected. I can just press A, I guess. Okay, let's go to vertex mode first. So we are in vertex mode, Control Shift A, nothing is working. Okay, so this way everything we got. So now we need to press M to merge by distance. M merge by distance. By distance means those vertices have less distance. So I guess they are gonna merge. Like now we are seeing a bundle of vertices together, but after this, so they are going to merge like in digital dot, I guess. Nothing happened. But why? By distance. At center, collapse at first, at last. Hmm. No, at first, all everything is getting got collected here. We don't want collapse at center, so we need to do it by distance. Unselect short like this. Nothing is working. Apply scale and rotation. Make sure to apply the scale and rotation of your object by pressing Ctrl A, scale and rotate. I guess I did that. Resetting the scale and rotation. Okay, let's do this again. Go to object mode, select this object, Control A, all transformation. So everything is applied, location, rotation, scale. So now everything is 0001 and dimensions are gonna be like this. Uh, Separate the pieces. If your model is made up of multiple parts, separate them first. Okay, so it is already a different object, but let's do this again. But I'm not able to see any option. Snap, selection to grid. No, press P. But it separately first select if your model is made up of multiple parts. Separate them first. Select the part you want to use for Boolean operation. Press P and choose selection. I guess it is going to work in this mode. So we can just separate this by selection. Okay, so now this part is separated like this, work 01. So now if I select, go to object mode, and now if I go to modifier and select this word 001, still not working, not working. Wait a second. Like we also created this object with the same technique, like this object. So we use build this model this using this vertex model. Hmm. Continue. So I guess we didn't reset this location scene. So let's do this. Control A, all transformation applied. So now it is going to zero. Yes, so this is zero. So now if I remove this boolean modifier and apply again, and if I select this object, nothing is applied, but here is one. If I change this texture to wire, will it? Oh, not this one. We need to do for this. Still not working. Basically, what I want to do, let me try it here. So, for example, we have this cube, yes, and we add a cylinder here. So let's place it here and resize it. So now the cylinder is added here. So now if I reset all this transformation of both of those objects, and now if I go to modifier and modifier and apply this Boolean modifier, and now if I select this object and hide this cylinder, so you are going to see this hole. So that's what I'm trying to do here, but I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let's ask GPT like what if we are what if we are applying Boolean modifier on the objects created using word modeling. So that's what we are doing. Clean geometry. Make sure your vertex model has clean geometry. Hmm. Let's verify this. Thank God, like I am following the tutorials line by line. So now, like I'm able to understand what is going on. So they were saying, select this. Okay, let's go back to object and into texture. So now if I apply this thing, face orientation. Okay, so now it is red. That is not good. We need it in blue color. For this we can um, this option. That is I'm not able to see that option here. Is it only for in edit mode? No. Okay, so let me go to this. Let's press Shift N. So now it should change the color to blue, but it is not changing. But at least it should show option here. Yes. So Shift N. Now it's showing the different color, which means we normals are applied. So now if I go back and turn this off, now I guess it is going to. Oh wow! So it is already working. Like you can see, if I just hide this, hang on. Finally, it's worked. Okay, so I learned a very good concept. And what's going on here? We need to make it smooth. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, so now this side is fine. I guess it is because of our this vertex moment. Hmm. Anyways, let's keep it like that. And let's add another thing. So for that we just need to go to edit and I will add another. Let's add cylinder. Where is this cylinder? And I also remembered one more concept. Like if you want to, like the cursor is there. Now if I place this cursor here, and now I want this cylinder to be here. So for this, what I need to do, select this, and now if I just shift S, what was the shortcut? No, yes, this was the shortcut. So now we want our selection to the cursor, selection to the cursor. So that's how it is going to work. But now it didn't work. But why? Yeah, I am also getting one more point. Like it is not going to be visible unless you click this offset. Yeah. So now I'm revising the concept, and I am happy that I remember these concepts. System started lagging. Why so much geometry is there? System is going to crash like this. So before it crashes, so let's make this a separate selection, like a separate object. So now it is separate object. Now if I go back to, like you can see, there are 8,000 vertices, 15,000 edges, and if I go to object mode and select this object and then go to edit mode, so now you can see only 64 vertices. That's good. So now press L. Let's resize it. I guess that's proper. Okay, let's keep it like that. And now we need to resize it along z-axis. And now we will just go to this object mode and we are going to do the same thing, like we will add boolean modifier. One thing we can do is we can add these boolean modifier in a collection, and then we can select this collection and select both the objects. Otherwise, we can add a duplicate boolean modifier, like a new boolean modifier, and then select the object. So that is cylinder. Where is this cylinder? What is the name of our object? Okay, so it's what 002 because we created it in that word because of that. So the name is like this. Okay, so this. So we need to select word 002 like that. And now you can see this thing. So now if I hide these two words, you will see, maybe you are not able to see, but if I select this word and change object property from texture to wire, so you will still you are not able to see why that thing is not visible. Okay, so here I guess same thing is happening. So let's change it to texture and let's enable this. So this is our object. As you can see, the shading is not proper. Okay, so it is not getting applied. So we need to do that same thing. We need to check those normals, face orientation. So as you can see, this thing is in red color and this is in blue. So this shown like the normals are not proper. So to do this, we just need to press Shift N, but in edit mode. Shift N. Yes. So now it is in blue color. So now everything is going to work. Let's go back. This is something old that I learned by exploring without watching the tutorial. Wow. So this thing completely worked. Yes. So this is the pen that we created. We used the word modeling. Let me hide these images and also these gizmos. So now you can clearly see. So this is our pen that we created so far. But we need a little more adjustment, like we need to add beveling. And I know this is not proper one, like the shape, but let's add smoothing and beveling filter, and then let's see uh, how it looks. So we spent so far 1 hour here. Shade smooth is applied, but it is not proper. That's what I need to learn, like how we can apply these modifier in particular order. So these boolean modifier, I'm just going to hit apply. We don't want to make any other changes. I am happy with this output. So I need not to perfect everything, but yeah, So we need not require them anymore. We can just delete. So yes. So now let's select this and add a modifier. Hi, who is watching the live stream? Is there anyone? But I am enjoying the process. Okay, so now we need, let's add level modifier. Let's keep this segment to 3 and 0.005. So now let's apply shade auto smooth, shade smooth, shade flat. No. Suraj Yadav. Hello Suraj. How are you? I guess we joined live just last night. Yeah, you was there. Suraj Yadav was there. I'm forgetting the name of the other person who was there. Yeah, Sparta. Sparta was there last night. Great. So, what are you doing? Okay, so here, let's try this face orientation. Everything is good. This is also good, but I don't like this shading effect. Let's apply shade auto smooth and in level shading harden normals. Oh wow, harden normals added a subtle effect. Like if I turn this one off, like you can see. So now the shading is like a bit smoother. I guess this handle is not properly attached. Okay, let's do this. So if I grab it like here, okay, so let's do it from focus side. So if I grab it along x-axis like this, and now if I go to this snapping tool and select according to face, and then turn this snapping tool on, we can turn this on of using shift tab also. And if I grab this along x-axis and just we want to stick it here, no, let's do it from this side. Grab X, we want to stick it here. I guess now it is sticked properly. Yes. So it's a little bit off, but below part is okay. So that's I guess sufficient for this. So I guess we can move toward the next tool. And yesterday I also turned off modifiers for this. Okay, so they are turned on. Okay, so we need not to do anything else. By the way, is going to be this is not going to be visual because it's here as you can see in this little frame. Okay, look, let's hide this. Not like this. Let's add parenting, selecting both of these objects. So now if I press Control P, keep transform. So now if I drag this, so it is moving with the child. So now we need to select all, Shift H, Control H. Okay, so only H. So yes. So this is it. Now I am suddenly feeling like I am expert in modeling. Uh, what is this word? Is this word related to the pen? Uh, I guess I should remove the unnecessary thing and keep this project clean. And before everything, let's save this project. That's the most important thing. Circle. Where circle is used. Okay, so let me turn this on right now. Not like this. And let's see where this word and circle is being used. But I'm not able to see. Level. Okay, so I'm going to delete these. I hope nothing get changed. Okay, so nothing happened. Yes, this is okay. Okay, so now let's move toward next thing. And I guess in Blender they should fix this thing. Like I don't understand what is the point, or is it happening to me only? Like if I turn this I off, like it should turn off all the objects inside it, but it is not doing that. So to do this, we need to press Shift. I don't like this. Okay, so let's see what is the next thing that I need to model. Cleaning geometry in Blender. Okay, so now theoretical part is there. GPT really helped in the case, like the problem I was getting. So it is solved in the next video. So in that next video, like the same thing is like being told that GPT told us. So it's good to use GPT while learning. And this is how our model is going to look like. So this looks very nice. So this is our kitchen. All right, so now let me make a list of few components, or you can say objects that we need to model. Like that is the part of assignment. So there is not going to be any video about this. I forgot. I didn't like half the minute. All right, so we need to make, uh, and this is not going. So we need to create a chopping board, and next thing is cube bowl. Water glass looks tiny. Water glass. What other thing we need to make? Small bowl, small plate, Vietnamese electric stove. Okay, so let's try new thing. Let's place the object that we created. I don't know like how to resize them and align them properly, but let's see. Let's try. So I'm going to add the cabinet. So it is going to be easy, I guess. So if I go to edit mode, select all, and now if I resize it and grab it, turn off snapping tool, grab along Z axis, grab along Y axis, grab along X axis. So this is going to be our cabinet. Let's place this cabinet here. So now we are going to use snapping tool to place our object, grab and snap it now this side, grab Y, snap it to this hole, grab V and snap it to this floor. Okay, this is crazy. Huh? Something is wrong. Something is wrong. So I don't know what happened. Like some components are not working properly. Okay, so that's not the issue. I guess the issue is with the other thing. I know what is the issue. But that should not be the case. I'm going to reset everything. I'm not going to place them. Otherwise, the geometry is going to be disturbed. And it happened. I'm not able to undo anymore. Alright, so I'm going to hide this. Let's hide this structure and hide this also. Turn this on. Hmm. I think we should just apply this level modifier and use destructive only, or we can hide this cube, not this. That is this thing. This, yes. Okay. So let's do another thing. So now let's go for chopping mode. I guess we have the reference images. shopping board. Here it is, front view and the side view. So this is the front view, and let's go to the side view and reference side view. So chopping board is easy. So for chopping board, we just need to use. We can use cube, or we can also use that thing. What do we call it? Plane. Now x-axis. I guess this is sufficient. And now scale it along y-axis, not along y, along z or z-axis. This is good. And let's do beveling at the same time by selecting the edges. So like the edges are a bit round. Go to Alt Z, Control Shift B. Reduce the number. Okay, so we need a little bit, just a little. I guess that's enough. Why it is not applied properly? Okay, so it is not applied along this. So we need to select everything. But I guess I selected. Let's try to apply again. Something is wrong. Okay, so I will do this later. Let's do this thing. Resize long y-axis, not like this. Select down. Now resize long y-axis. What is that thing? Yes, like this. Okay, this is sufficient. So this is proper. So now go to front view. Now let's try to do this thing. Doubling again along these corners. I guess this is sufficient. Still, it is not proper. Like it is applied to the corner, but not along this axis. That's why. Let's do this another way using what is if I select beveling is applied points, but I want a long edge. If I add a loop cut, if I add a loop cut here and then try to bevel this, still it is applied toward long vectors. If I select this corner and this and now apply, still it is not giving the optimal result that I am looking for. Okay, let's ask GPT. It's not if it is whether it's GPT back and behind the scene, it's Microsoft Copilot, but behind the scene is GPT. They had $1 billion deal. How to apply beveling along edges instead of vertices. Press tab to, that's what I'm doing. Select the end, control V, but it is not applying properly, or it's supposed to be like this. No, what is that mean? Okay, so let's try one more thing. If I add a plane here and grab it along x-axis toward it is not visible, rotate toward x-axis 90, grab along x. Now if I select the corner, can I select? If I select this corner, in fact all the corners, and now if I apply bevel, so this is doing good, and I want same effect on this thing, but it is not working. One thing we can do is like we can extrude along this side and achieve the same result like this. Now you can see the difference on here and here. So now if I add it, select this and do bevel, can you see what is happening? This will pop up. Okay, so I'm going to uh, delete this and I will add a plane and then do. So let's plane. So we are going to work on plan B. Go to edit mode, rotate long X by 90, resize along X, resize along Y, sorry Z, uh, uh, what is that? Resize, not resize, rotate, scale long Y axis, Z axis, like this. This is sufficient. Now let's add bevel modifier. Let's reduce the number of vertices. Let's keep it here. Yes, now look good. Okay, so now we will move for this guy, select everything, drag along x-axis, drag this one away, drag along y-axis, yes, y-axis. Let's take it here, and now we'll extrude along y-axis. अच्छा आ गया. Till here. So now we will use the same technique to chop this out. Let's place plane and tab, rotate along x-axis by 90, scale down along x, not along x, along z by point 5, by point 3, yes, drag along z by 3 steps, 3 is very large, point 3 is very small, point 9 by 1.5. Okay, let's do this manually. Like here, scale along x, scale along y, z, not z, like plus scale along. Okay, so we need to change this leading point, scale along z, drive along z. Uh, this is perfect. So now we will add bevel modifier, not modifier. We will just use beveling. Perfect. So now go to the other side, select all, grab them along x, y, and let's place it bit outside because we will be using boolean modifier. Grab along y, select all, grab along y, and that's it. So before adding boolean modifier, let's check the face orientation. I guess it is good. It is good to go. No, 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 not good to go. Shift and go to edit. Shift and go to edit. Shift and yes. So similarly, we need to do it for this object. Go to edit. Shift and yes. So now we will select this object, add modifier, add boolean modifier, select the object like this. That's all. So now select this object, inner object, go to this section, texture to wire, and hide this. That is the name of the subject, plain one. Hmm. So voila, our shopping board is ready. So now we will just add bit of shading effect and bevel. But before this, let's hide this. I hope everything is good. Yes. So go to object mode and shade auto smooth. Yes. So let's add bevel modifier. Let's keep it to 3 segment and 0.005. Does this look good? But there are like a lot of these sharp shades. Uh, let's turn on hard normals. Nothing changes. Okay, so let's add subdivision surfaces. So this is going to make it a bit smoother. Yes, but something was changed here. I don't know. Every time I use this subdivision surface, so it just changes geometry, and you can see the effect. Like what happens if we use these modifiers uh, like this. I'm going not going to use this. Let's keep it simple like this. Okay, so now I'm going to rename this as shopping board, and let's uh, make this plane the part of this mother parenting thing, and let's move it inside this classroom kitchen. Okay, so now we are going to close this and this. Oh, so our chopping board is ready. Let's save this. Next is fruit bowl. Select everything. I Next is food bowl. Go to front view. Shift A. Go to image. Reference is 10 or 7. Here is the fruit bowl. Fruit bowl.png. While the top view is missing. Anyways, let's try. Okay, so we can use the Veer to create this shape, and then we can cut that sphere, and but we need to cut it from below also. Other thing, we can use a simple plane, or we can also use vertex modeling, but I guess sphere will be much faster. View sphere. Let's grab it. So we need to keep it in center. I guess this is a winter. Okay, so we are going to use only this portion, this one, and we are going to braid the other half like this. Let's do some adjustment. This does look good, but not on this side. Okay, so let's do one more thing. So I'm going to delete these matrices. Let's do scaling a little bit and let's do long V to here. Let's do the long V and fill this. Okay, so this is the bowl. This is how it looks like. I guess the finishing is good. Yes, it is good, but we need to adjust this height. To do this, we'll just select the edge. Go to this mode, Alt Z, X-ray mode, grab long Z, and just like this. Let's do a little fading like this. Perfect. Wow, this was quick. But you can see like there is uh, not a proper alignment, but we can adjust that. So let's hide this image reference. Hi, Suraj. Are you watching? Or some other one? So now we just need to add a solidify modifier. Let's do that first. Solidify. We can adjust the width, thickness as per our need. I will keep it like this. And now select this. Now we will add subdivision modifier first, and then we will try to add that other thing. Yes. So I guess subdivision surface modifier work great when we use it before leveling or shade out of noise. So now if I adjust these levels, this is a bit more smoother. So let's apply shade auto smoke. But before that, let's apply bevel. Now things are working perfectly. Let's keep it 3 and this 0.05. And now let's add shade auto smoke. Yes, so this is the bowl. Alright, so our bowl is ready. So let's fruit bowl. This look nice. Who followed? Marcy Popsis. Hi, you have followed on Twitch. It's been like many days. We received some good alert from Twitch. Okay, so this is bowl. It is ready. Let's move it to the kitchen collection. So yes, fruit bowl is ready. It. Next is water glass. So water glass. Wait a second. I guess I turned off Twitch chat. Let me turn it on. Wait a second if you are chatting. Hi, can you send a message on Twitch? Or let me just try. Okay, so Twitch messages are on now. Please, can you tell uh, how many followers are on Twitch on this channel? Like I didn't check from last couple of days. Last time they were, I guess, 11. Okay, so now we are going to make a water bottle. So these are the reference images. Water glass, water wine. We also need this water glass. Um, sure. Yes, next thing is water glass itself. Let's do this one and under view. This is interesting. So it is going to be upper view, top view. So yes. So now how we are going to create this shape. This is going to be a bit challenging. What shape should I use to create this? I think I should use sphere or simple extruding, or I can also use vertex modeling by adding Boolean modifier. because there is going to be a lot of curves. Uh, okay, so let's try to do this. If I try to do this from cylinder, will it be a good idea? Okay, so let's try with word modeling. So if I grab this and place it here and then extrude it here and then here. So now if I start doubling, I need to grab this bit here. Let's try now. Okay, so I will do this now one side and then I will mirror it. I need to check like what is the best way to create this wine glass. This was the okay. So let's place it here and extrude it here. Now if I double this is perfect. Grab it here and let's do it like this. Let's apply value. We don't need that much. Okay, okay, so let's do this manually. We don't need to double. Yes. Let's shift these pieces a little bit. All right. So let's try to use a mirror effect. We want to mirror along Y. Now turn on clip, select the mirror object. Okay, so we got this mirror effect. Now if I select this, I'm not able to select and edge here. I think I don't need to do this. What is the difference between clicking and other thing? Instead of this, but if I click like I can't use it. Bisect to non-X. Instead of mirror, I guess I should use this mask. Now, mask is a different thing. But how to use this mirror? We got that thing. If I go to top view and grab log I, select everything, grab along and now if I exclude, I am doing something wrong. Instead of doing this, it takes too long. That's sexy. Not like that. Okay, so let's hide it for now. Let's try to use cylinder. Everything is gold except like its shape, its all. Can we reduce this? I don't think so. I made a mistake somewhere. Hmm. Let's see how far we can just no mistakes coming from this side. Okay, let's view this. So now we are going to do this everything again. I spent a lot of time, but that's what is the journey. So I will now keep check it regular. I guess I while I was scaling, so I pressed only X. So that was the issue. So I need not to press any other key. I just need to press S and E. Let's get it from top side. It's perfect.